想稳稳的来，但是穿箱子上完成了最后的残局。虽然说
被白沙顺利清下来，白方向。
Over the past 2 decades, several video games in what's known as the first-person shooter genre, or FPS, have grown popular enough to have their own tournaments, like this one, called CROSSFIRE.
This is a 17-year-old title that isn't getting nearly as much hype as today's new games. But what's counterintuitive can be seen in YouTube videos like this.
We'll be taking a look at the most popular FPS game in the world that you've never even heard of.
This is the biggest first-person shooter you've never heard of, CROSSFIRE.
Well, color me intrigued. I went to Seoul to speak with its creators at a company called Smilegate Entertainment.
Welcome to Smilegate.
Nice to meet you.
This
nice
way.
To meet you.
Let's go. 创爱火线今年迎来17周年受到80个国家的超过10个亿的玩家的喜爱。虽然不同地区存在文化方面的差异，但是这个设计游戏本身的一个刺激，而且竞争的过程当中队友之间产生的那个友情，这种共同价值我觉得让全球的玩家们就紧密的连接在一起。
Beyond gameplay, one sure way to keep players excited and engaged is by turning the game into an esports.
The international appeal of esports is what keeps many games alive and active over the past decades. Global CROSSFIRE championships are held every year, and a great deal of the energy driving its competitive scene comes from a rapidly rising market in global esports, China. These regional matches were organized by the Chinese company with which Smilegate has long collaborated.
因为一年大大小小中国有很多 CF 的比赛嘛，选手们可以在这个里面去不断的去吸取经验，去进步自己，进步团队，让职业选手能有比赛可打，能有经验可吸收。
This dynamism has helped build a stable and vibrant competitive scene, encouraging teams from other regions to compete for a share of the prize and glory.
那巴西和菲律宾这些都是现在是已经是慢慢已经能给我们很大压力的一些赛区了。
我们中国队一直很强嘛，他们一直想要挑战我们的中国队嘛，所以这个过程当中也会产生很有趣的这种故事或者是看点粉丝们特别关注这个局面。
Bolstered by global audiences and massive investment, the video game and esports sector has grown into a sizable industry. In China, local governments see how it connects with young people, and they're offering incentives and competing to host events, driving the industry's momentum. This October, the President of the Republic of Korea, Lee Jae-myung, pledged support for the gaming industry through tax breaks, overseas expansion, and talent programs, aiming to help the country join China and the US among the world's top 3 gaming powerhouses.
CROSSFIRE's success is an example of the industry's potential. At the same time, it is also a testament to the power of international collaborations as the global gaming sector evolves.